Hey everybody. You know how they say change is good? Yeah, well, big changes. So, had a little bit of a change of venue. Got everything packed and loaded and headed out. So, all the projects I had lined up, obviously, are going to be delayed a little bit, but probably still going to be happening. I'll have to show off the new digs, or at least the temporary setup for the time being. But hopefully projects will continue. So here's the new shop. A little cozy and quaint, but got everything I need, and got space here for the engine because we got a project going on the way. That's right out here. Show you more later. But yeah, so this is the new space. I got the toolbox, workbench, drill press, everything in here, air compressor, welder, all the stuff I need to keep working. Haven't got the air compressor hooked up yet, but we'll get there. I just got settled in, so yeah, gotta keep the wrenches turning. And out here we got our covered area, and as you can see, I already started tearing into the Passat. I've got some time-lapse video going, so I'll be switching over to that here shortly, so you can see the build happening. So yeah, exciting times. At least we're dry. Alright, so we got the engine pulled. Now we just need to tear it apart. We got it's still attached to the transmission here. So and the subframe was just easier to pull out of the car as a whole unit. So now we're gonna separate the engine from the transmission, get the rest of this crap out of here and on its way. Yeah. There we go. I got that back off. There we go. All right, so got it here in the shop, ready to rock and roll on the engine stand. So now we just gotta drain all the fluids, get it all cleaned up. We want to go through and replace the timing belt, check the camshaft because these engines are notorious for having camshaft issues. So check the camshaft, possibly replace it if you need to. We're gonna do a balance shaft release delete kit, just to make it less complicated because those are notorious for having problems, especially where the oil pump is driven off of that, and then you get oil pump issues. So just basically we're going to go over all of it. We're going to do an EGR delete, so get rid of all this stuff, and while we're at it, we're going to do the get the motor mounts and everything all set up and ready for our swap. So yeah, so this is the not so fun part, but part of the project. So stay tuned. Next episode, we're gonna go through the engine and check everything out. So yeah, thanks for watching. And always, you can subscribe, whatever, the button at the bottom here. And yeah, it'll let you know when I post more videos. Hopefully we'll be getting some good traction on this project pretty quick.